When you're building a sales team, everyone assumes you'll just use Salesforce. It's the industry default. But before your new reps even dial their first lead, that default choice puts intense pressure on your monthly budget. Commercial platforms charge you by the user every single month. So every time you add headcount to hit higher revenue targets, your software expenses aggressively scale right alongside them. To manage those costs, small businesses often resort to underlicensing. They buy seats for a handful of core account executives, but leave out the rest of the staff. That creates huge operational blind spots. Customer service and marketing and even upper management are suddenly locked out of the core pipeline data, forced to rely on manual updates or messy spreadsheets. You end up with a system that actively penalizes your growth. You are punished financially for expanding your team before you've closed a single deal to justify the expense. SuiteCRM offers a different approach. It's an open-source, GPL-licensed platform built specifically to tear down that per-seat cost barrier. Every team member gets an account with zero added licensing fees. Look at this cost comparison over 2 years. A mid-tier commercial subscription for a growing team shoots into the thousands of dollars. But running self-hosted SuiteCRM gives a flat infrastructure cost, $30 to $60 a month. As your team expands to 20 reps, that line doesn't budge. You pay for server capacity, not user access. Keeping $10,000 a year in your own bank account is appealing. But what exactly are you trading away in operational effort and user experience to get that financial freedom? Because open source software is never free. It simply shifts your payment. Instead of handing over licensing fees to a vendor, you take on the responsibility of technical infrastructure and active maintenance. To see if taking on that maintenance is worth it, we have to look at what SuiteCRM actually does. Structurally, it is built to directly rival Salesforce. Out of the box, the core sales module handles everything an active rep needs, like opportunity tracking, highly detailed pipeline stages, and robust forecasting reports. It also packs a native marketing module. Your team can build email campaigns and monitor open rates and click-through performance without jumping into a separate tool. On the back end, the customer service module includes a full case management system to track and resolve active support tickets. This matrix shows how features stack up. SuiteCRM matches premium competitors on native workflow automation, automatically triggering emails or assigning tasks. Because it closely mirrors Salesforce's logic, reps used to that environment require almost no fundamental retraining. But there are genuine functional sacrifices you make when you leave modern SaaS platforms. Right away, you'll notice the interface feels older and less refined than newer tools on the market. The biggest friction point is mobile access. There is no highly polished, dedicated mobile app. Reps out in the field have to log in through a mobile web browser, which gets the job done but feels clunky. You also won't find the predictive, AI-driven forecasting tools that commercial platforms are heavily marketing right now. You are making a conscious trade. You give up the absolute latest in UI polish and cutting-edge predictive tech, and in return, you get raw, dependable utility and maximum control over your operating budget. To secure those savings, you have to decide exactly how your business is going to host and maintain the platform. Setting up your own standard LAMP stack server yields the lowest possible operating costs. It also gives you total, uncompromised ownership over your entire customer database. But self-hosting carries a strict maintenance burden. Your internal team is entirely responsible for applying security patches and ensuring automated backup routines actually work. If a server goes down, it is on you. If you don't have dedicated IT support, Sales Agility offers official managed cloud plans. It's a turnkey experience, similar to a SaaS subscription, though it does cut into your cost savings. This chart breaks down the effort-to-savings ratio. SaaS status quo requires low effort, minimal savings. Managed cloud sits in the middle. Self-hosting requires high effort, but delivers maximum financial return. For regulated industries, this high-effort route simplifies data compliance. Ultimately, SuiteCRM's value to your business depends heavily on your internal technical literacy and your willingness to handle infrastructure. If you decide to make the jump, expect the standard migration process to take most small businesses between 2 and 4 weeks to complete. Getting the raw data over is straightforward. You simply export your existing contacts and active deals from your old CRM as basic CSV files, then map them into SuiteCRM. But there is one major manual hurdle. Any custom data fields you built in your old platform will not transfer automatically. You have to manually recreate those fields in SuiteCRM's admin panel before importing your files. We recommend running both CRMs side by side for a week. Updating both systems simultaneously prevents deals from falling through the cracks while reps get comfortable. A migration forces a temporary period of operational friction on your team, but that is simply the toll required to achieve a clean break from expensive vendor lock-in. Keep your eye on the main objective, redirecting $10,000 or more in software licensing straight back into actual sales headcount or your marketing budget. Here is the framework for your final decision. If you have a team of 10 or 15 reps and capable IT support, self-hosting makes sense. If you lack that support, managed cloud works. But if your team relies heavily on an offline mobile app or predictive AI, stay with commercial SaaS. If your field reps absolutely need a flawless smartphone app to function, or your managers rely heavily on AI to predict revenue, SuiteCRM will frustrate your team. But if you are a scaling sales organization that wants to grant universal access to every employee without seeing your costs double, and you have basic server management skills, this platform is a perfect fit. For the budget-conscious business willing to trade a little modern software convenience for raw operational capital, SuiteCRM is the definitive open-source escape hatch.